Hayward's new 2- and 4-wheel drive AquaNaut suction cleaners are built with a robust design for the most reliable, complete clean. Their unstoppable suction power and innovative patented technologies are perfectly suited for any pool terrain. The AquaNaut 200 for small to average-size pools and its 4-wheel drive cousin, the AquaNaut 400, for larger pools and pools with deep ends are designed from the wheels up to deliver the most thorough clean for pools of all shapes, sizes, flow rates, and debris types. With a cleaner that is so easy to handle and install, it's hard to believe it captures the roughest and toughest debris. But in fact, this is what it does best. Setting it apart from all other suction cleaners, AquaNaut features patented self-adjusting variable vanes known as V-Flex technology. Because the variable vanes automatically adjust to allow for any size debris to pass through the cleaner, V-Flex technology delivers maximum power at any flow and provides the peace of mind of clog-free cleaning. Multiple pre-programmed steering sequences ensure that AquaNaut efficiently cleans any type of pool and thoroughly covers both shallow and deep ends. AquaNaut's one-of-a-kind, patented adjustable roller skirt maintains constant suction on uneven surfaces and major obstacles like main drains. Even AquaNaut's tires are so uniquely sticky and robust, they're patented too, keeping your AquaNaut on course over inclines and obstacles that would stop other cleaners dead in their tracks. AquaNaut 400 is designed with powerful 4-wheel drive technology that provides optimal traction and coverage towards the deep end. AquaNaut comes complete with 3 interchangeable throats so that you can select the best one for any type and size of filtration system. This makes AquaNaut ideal for use with all new variable speed pump technologies. Spend less time worrying and more time enjoying. Discover what AquaNaut's unique design and patented cleaning technologies can do for you. Visit your local Hayward dealer or hayward.com to learn more about the AquaNaut line of suction cleaners today.